So we've got some great cucumbers growing here, just out of this tiny little pot. But we've been giving this plant liquid feed every 7 to 10 days, and it's got plenty of life in it. We've got a couple of really nice looking cucumbers here. So these are a telegraph cucumber, that's a long growing variety. We've got younger ones further down the stem. So lots of action. And the question is really, when do you harvest your cucumbers? Well, the thing about cucumbers is you don't really want to let them get too mature because the skins will thicken. And worst of all is the seeds inside start to ripen and they go quite hard. So it's almost better to harvest them a little bit young than a little bit too old. So this variety, Telegraph, you're normally going to harvest it when it's got to around 12 inches. So right now, it's probably 8 or 9 inches. I'd say it's got a little bit further to go, not very much. But you could have harvested this one right now anyway, and it will be delicious. So depending on your variety, go for a younger fruit, and same story, as you harvest, so the plant will produce more fruit for you. So don't let them sit there for too long, otherwise they won't be as delicious, sweet and watery as you might want them. So this cucumber here is ready for harvest. It's not too long, it's got a nice dark colour to it. The important thing when you harvest cucumbers though is you do want a sharp knife or some secateurs, and you see the stem at the top here? You want to cut it. If you twist it or pull it, you could damage this plant. They are quite brittle. So I'm going to cut through this stem about 1/2 inch, okay? Now, you don't want to damage this plant because this will carry on fruiting through to the autumn, okay, as long as you water and feed it. Let's have a look at our cucumber here. Cut it in half. It's nice and watery, and let's see. Absolutely delicious. Nice and firm, great flavour, and no seeds. So cucumbers, they're fun to grow. They're easy to harvest and they are absolutely delicious to eat. Well worth the effort.